Hi, I'm Nadia from Oxigo, and if you just started CPAP therapy and you're running into issues, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will go through some of the most common CPAP problems, and I will give you simple tips to fix them. Despite the effectiveness of CPAP therapy, some people don't use this device regularly because of the side effects they experience. Let's see some of them. Anxiety and claustrophobia. This is a factor because even before starting treatment, it can be intimidating and overwhelming. You're anticipating the feeling of the mask or the pressure. One tip is to practice during the daytime when there's no pressure to try to go to sleep. This helps train your brain that wearing the mask is okay. So put it on, watch TV, read a book, just relax and get used to the mask. You also may experience something called air hunger, which is a feeling of suffocation when wearing the mask. That's typically because your starting pressure isn't high enough. A tip for this is to turn off your ramp filter or contact your provider for a pressure adjustment. One of the most common problems in CPAP therapy is dry mouth. This can be fixed with just few adjustments, like increasing your humidity settings. This is effective because we're increasing the amount of moisture that you're receiving through the mask. One of the easiest way to fix dry mouth is also to stay hydrated. Another thing you can try is a chin strap, which is just a strap of cloth that helps to hold the mouth closed while you're wearing your mask. You can easily find it on our website oxigo.co. Another issue we experience in our first-time users with CPAP is swallowing air into your stomach. This is called Aerophagia. This can cause discomfort and bloating, which nobody wants. It's often due to pressure that's too high, but here's how to fix it. Don't adjust the pressure on your own, speak with your doctor or sleep specialist. They might recommend switching to an APAP machine that adjusts pressure automatically. And in some cases, BiPAP might be a better option. The goal is to find the lowest effective pressure that still treats your apnea. Another thing to do is to maximize humidity because if your mouth is drying out, you tend to swallow air. And finally, one of the biggest issues in starting CPAP therapy is the lack of consistent use. You don't get the full benefits of this therapy if you're not using it. It doesn't carry over to the next day, so you have to be consistent. You need to work with this machine, not against it. Adjusting to CPAP therapy takes time, so please be patient when starting therapy. Getting used to CPAP therapy takes time, but the good news is that most problems can be fixed with small adjustments or the right accessories. Visit oxigo.co for more info and to explore our full selection of CPAP products. And if this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more tips about CPAP and sleep health. All the links are down below in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.